everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I make lifestyle and beauty videos. If you're returning, welcome as well. Thank you so much for your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. So for today's video, I decided to do how I curl my hair. I know during my March favorites video, I got a lot of comments and a lot of DMs asking me how I curl my hair, so I thought might as well make a video about it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use and then what curling irons I use as well. So if you're interested, go ahead and just keep on watching. So how I curl my hair, the first thing that I like to do is that I like to take a comb or a brush, whatever you guys prefer, and I like to just comb my hair through just to make sure there is no tangles. So for the products that I use on my hair, I'll go in with this Foxy Bay Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray, which is like this. I like the fact that it has a biotin and it's sulfate free. And then this one, as you can see, I got it at Marshall's for $7.99. The reason why I've been using this is because it has biotin in it and I've been trying to grow out my hair. So I feel like this is going to help it 10 times more than another heat protectant. So I'll go ahead and add this into my hair. And then I'm just going to go ahead and brush that through again. So now that my hair has that heat protectant, so for the curling iron, I use my New Me 3-in-1 wand, and then it does come with 3 different heads. So it comes with this one being the smaller one, and then this one is the second medium one, and then this one is the more bigger one. So usually if I'm trying to go for like that lazy curls, I'll go ahead and use a bigger one. If I want a little bit more of a tight, but still having like that beach wave to it, then I'll go ahead and use this one. But if I really want like the tight curls, which is the ones that you guys saw at my March favorites, I'll go ahead and use this one. So I've had this wand, I want to say, for about 4-5 years now, and it still works. I have no problem with it whatsoever. It is pretty pricey, but honestly it's so worth it. I haven't had the need to get like another curling iron. This is the one that I use the most. So I'll go ahead and just attach this to it just like that. It just kind of clips on. So it has the high and low volumes here, and then you just go ahead and press the on button. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You'll see it turns on a green light, and then it tells you like the degrees, and then I usually like to put mine at the highest, which is a 200. So as you can see, it's counting up, and that's how you're gonna know when it's ready for you to use, which is something that I personally like. So I'll just kind of let it sit, and then it also has this little extra handle here, so that when you set it down, you don't just set it down on the floor where it can burn it. It kind of has this little like hook on it. And I like to go in and use some clips. And I just got these ones from Marshall's, I believe. They're really cheap. They were like $3.99. And then the first thing I like to do is part my hair starting from the bottom. And then I'll just kind of clip this up here until I have to do that part. So I took a little bit of a section. I'm going to go ahead and brush it through, just to make sure that there's no tangles. So now my curling iron is ready to use. It says 200, meaning it's already ready. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is just grab a little piece of hair, not that much, and then I like to curl. So I like to curl away from my face instead of towards my face, if that makes sense. I know some people do like some towards, some away, so that it's not just bundled up into one big curl. But for the bottoms, I honestly don't really care. So I'll go ahead and put this on the wand, and then I'll just wait about 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when I'm taking it out, I like to hold the piece, hold it down, and then bring it up. and then you'll see that it's a really pretty wavy curl right here. And then I'll grab another piece from the back, same thing, away from my face, and I'll leave it on there for about 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding the piece, bring it out, pull it a little bit, and then drop it down. Really easy, and the good thing is that this curling iron does not take that long for it to curl, so I'm not leaving it on too much. So for this side, I'm gonna do it away from my face. So put it around the curling iron, leave it on for 5 seconds, take it out, keep holding it, and then just pull. And then you get your really pretty curl. So keep doing that. I'm gonna do it away from my face still. Leave it on there for about 5 seconds. Bring it out. And then these curls honestly last me for a good like 3 days, to be honest. Like on the 3rd day, it's already kind of looking like waves, like really loose waves, but it looks so pretty still. And then let go. Perfect. So I don't like to mess with them yet. I don't like to like run my fingers through it just yet. We're gonna do that at the end. So just let it sit there. Now I'm gonna take another section from this. I'm gonna go ahead and put these curls to the front just so that I don't mix them up with the hair that's not curled yet. And then now I'm gonna go in like kind of where like my eyes are and part this side. And then I'm gonna clip this up here. That looks funny, but whatever. And we're gonna go ahead and start from this side. And I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it through. And same thing here, we're gonna go ahead and curl away from the face. And then I like to kind of do it kind of like not all the way up here, like close to my root, but just a little slightly down. And we're just gonna curl that. Leave it on for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then pull and bring it back up. So there is another curl right here. And then you're gonna go ahead and get another piece and then just kind of repeat the same process. Oops. And if you're still learning how to use a wand, when you order this, they actually give you a glove that you can use if you are having trouble with it, because you don't obviously want to burn yourself. I know I used it in the beginning when I was first learning to use a wand, but now like I'm really good at it, so I don't need it, but it's really helpful if you're trying to learn. Let me get another section. If you see me looking up, it's because I have my mirror behind the camera, so that's how I'm kind of seeing, so I can make sure I'm doing it right. And you're gonna pull it. We're gonna finish up the top, last section. I'm gonna go ahead and brush this out. Let this kind of just like fall. Brush it out. If you do want it really straight from the top, like if you have more of a like curly hair or wavy hair, you can also straighten it and then kind of like curl it wherever you want to start. I'm gonna put it behind. Instead of curling on the side, I put it behind and curl it on the back. This is honestly like an arm workout, not even gonna lie. Now we're gonna go ahead and just go. We're gonna grab another section and we're gonna go ahead and curl it. Okay, and then this is usually the part where I'll do towards my face, away from my face, but only on the ones here in this section. Towards my face, just so that they don't curl up. So we got this one right here, and I have a few baby hairs, so I'll kind of like do a little twirl in the front, put it away from my face, start kind of where my eye is, and let it go. Perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check, make sure I didn't miss any pieces of hair. I mean, if you like it like this, you can definitely leave it. I like to run my fingers through it just so that they're not too tight either. So I'll just go ahead and just run my fingers through it. And then this is how you'll also get like that volume, if that's what you're looking for. So if you see, this one's a lot more voluminous and this one's just a lot more tighter. So I'll do it on this side too. So yeah guys, this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys really did enjoy this. I hope you guys found some really good tips that maybe you guys can use. Usually when I'm done with it, I don't add any hairspray. For me, hairspray is like my enemy. Like every time I've used hairspray, my curls fall so much more faster than when I don't use it. So honestly, I just don't use it anymore. It's just something that works for me a lot better. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to be part of my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that post notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll go ahead and see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.